If you're planning to get your real estate trading license in British Columbia in 2026, the very first step is registering for the official UBC real estate licensing program. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the UBC Sauder School of Business, Real Estate Division website. This is the only official provider of the real estate trading license education in British Columbia. Make sure you are on the UBC Sauder website, not a third-party site or an advertisement. After logging into the official UBC Sauder website, find the Real Estate Division in the Programs option, and then find the section called Licensing and Registration Courses. Click into that page first. On this page, you'll see different regulatory bodies. Please select BCFSA, which stands for the BC Financial Services Authority. Then choose Real Estate Trading Services Licensing Course. Once you are on this page, click the Register Now button. After that, you will be taken to the official UBC registration system. This is where you will begin filling out your online registration form. First, you need to select the correct registration option. If this is your first real estate license, and you do not currently hold any other BCFSA license, please select the course with a $1,450 registration fee. This option includes full course access and electronic course materials. If you already hold a mortgage, rental, or strata license, and you are adding a real estate trading license, please select the supplemental course option with a $975 registration fee. Next, you'll see an option to purchase a printed course manual. If you prefer studying with a physical textbook, you may add the course manual for $225. If not, you can skip this option and use the electronic version only. After selecting your options, click Continue to move forward. On the next page, you'll see the required reading section. Please take a moment to read through it carefully. Once finished, check the acknowledgement box, then continue to the next step. You will now see Step 3 of 7, Previous Registration and Licensing History. If you are a new student, and this is your first time registering with UBC Sauder, please select No for all 3 questions. If you have registered before, answer these questions based on your actual situation. Next, you will be asked to fill in your personal information. Please make sure your legal name matches your government-issued ID. Your contact information is accurate. You are now on Step 5 of 7, Course and Freedom of Information Confirmations. This step does not require you to enter new information. Instead, it asks you to review and confirm several important policies. Once you have reviewed all sections, make sure all required boxes are checked. After that, click Continue to move on to the next step. You will be asked to select your highest level of education. Indicate your reason for registering for this licensing course. Answer honestly based on your situation. Finally, you'll reach the review page. Carefully review all your information one last time. If everything looks correct, proceed to submit and pay the registration fee. Once payment is completed, your registration will be officially submitted. Once approved, you'll receive an email confirming your course access with your student number. You can then log into the UBC Learning platform and start studying right away. Registering for the UBC Real Estate Trading Licensing course is just the first step. At Quick Pass Master Tutorial School, our tutorial courses are designed to help students prepare more effectively and approach the UBC exam with confidence. If you'd like to learn more about our tutorial programs, please visit our official website at getrealestatelicenses.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.